Right, welcome back to another video for the FN2, and this one is part of my series of videos where I told you guys that it leaks. And whilst it's not soaking wet right now, I know that I've not fixed it. So today at Attleborough Auto Centre, which is that man there, Andrew, we're going to use a Frogger system and we're going to fill the entire car full of smoke so it looks like Snoop Dogg's driving it. At that point, when it's absolutely full of smoke, we should see smoke pouring out of where it's leaking from. That's the theory. So let's get on with it. Are you ready for this, Andrew?
Indeed.
It's filling up. As you can see, it's filling the whole cabin with smoke. Lovely smelling lemony smoke. Can't quite see through there. Yeah, it's just taking its time to fill up now. This stuff also deodorizes and kills bacteria.
Still see there's still parts of it that aren't full, isn't there?
Yeah, still filling up, man. Well, it's starting to make its way out of this window. Don't know whether you can see that on the video. It's just seeping out. Is it seeping out of the... Yeah, it's just seeping out here, look. Difficult to show on the video, but it's actually coming out of...
You can see it here as well. I can see it wafted here.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
It's coming out of the rear light clusters. I think it's coming out of the rear light cluster. Yeah, it is. I can see it.
Anyway, what are you figuring this old bathtub, this leaky old bathtub? Give me some super brushes so I can get this back together.
It's sort of, yeah, I don't think it's coming out of here, but it's definitely coming upwards. So it's coming out of the rear light cluster for sure. So it's definitely coming out of this door. And when we said the boot lid, do we mean here?
Yeah, you can see it here.
It's actually coming out of here. It's difficult to pick up in a video, but it was definitely coming out it's definitely coming out of this light unit here.
It's definitely coming out this door seal there, around the window.
Yeah, and this door seal. I think you might see this one in the video.
Just there.
Yeah.
And down here.
Realistically then, Andrew, that's door seals, rear boot seal. Yeah, look at that now.
Yeah.
See if I can zoom in. Put that torch on it again, brother. Yeah, that'd be my leak, my friend.
Yeah. Come running down from the top.
Yeah, agreed.
Waiting out of there, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so that was not the answer I was looking for. And what we've established is that the boot seal, the rear lights, clusters, seals, and probably both door seals or the door drainage holes are blocked. But yeah, it's leaking. Now thankfully the front of my car's not wet, just the rear in the, obviously in the back here. Now not absolutely saturated like I've seen on some of them, but I'm gonna get this early, get it fixed. Yeah. I think we've proved that. There we go. Do you want to open it up?
Yeah, let's open the door.
Woo! Tonight, Matthew. Yeah, it's pretty smoky in here. There's a little machine that makes all the smoke. Makes all the smoke, that little thing.
Split there.
That's a Drano, ain't it? But that's a split.
Yeah, there's definitely a split in it.
Well, I've got some parts to order then. Honda will have my pants down.
Life moves pretty fast.